Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video we are again gonna be experimenting with the 5 minutes craft viral hacks, and it is mainly gonna be beauty hacks and some makeup hacks as well. Just to give you guys a little sneak peek, I am gonna be using duct tape to remove my blackheads. This was the most interesting one. The other ones are super interesting and amazing as well, so I'm not gonna make this video longer. Also, if you're someone who hasn't subscribed to the channel yet, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me, and we are quickly gonna be diving into the video now. So guys, the first hack is removing your blackheads, and your nose is your problematic area most of the times. So here I have taken this tape. This is usually used for fixing your electrical appliances, and I have put it over my nose, and I'm gonna dab it a few times so that it's fixed properly and can take the things out nicely. And I did not wait for longer time, and then I started removing the tape, and as you guys can see for yourself, it has worked so perfectly. You can see the white heads coming out. There is a lot of grease and oil on the nose also, and it has removed it wonderfully. So it's a big thumbs up from my side. Works, and it's also very cheaper. The second hack is going to be how to make your lashes look fuller and longer. So here she has taken some Vaseline. She applies mascara after that, and using the heated curler, she curls her lashes and it makes it look wonderful. So here I have taken some Vaseline. I put the wand and applied some Vaseline. I did not had very high expectation from this hack because Vaseline is usually used for removing the makeup. So once you have applied on the base and then start to apply your mascara, it's not going to stay there. This is something that I'm very sure about. So I applied the mascara nicely, and even after 10 minutes I could feel that it's coming off because Vaseline has oil and it cannot stay put after that. But I went ahead anyway just to try this hack out. But big thumbs down from my side, doesn't work at all. On the other lash I applied normal mascara. They both looked same. So do not try this at all. The next hack is gonna be for the fake freckles, and here she has taken mascara and then she dabbed the wand over her hand, and then she take her finger and just put it over, and it looks like you have freckles. So I took the mascara wand and I tried applying at the back of my hand. It's not so easy to have it on the back of your hand, but I went ahead few times. Instead of taking my finger, I took the hand and start putting it all over my face. I don't know if I liked it or not. I'll leave it up to you guys to tell me if you think this has worked or not. So the next hack is gonna be when your nails grow, there is a little bit point at the end where there is no nail paint anymore. So you apply a little bit of nail polish, and you need this fan brush, which is usually used for putting highlighter. And I do not have any nail paint on right now. I just wanted to try it out and see how it works out. So I applied the nail paint at the base of the nails, and then I took the fan brush and then I tried to do as it was shown in the video. And to my surprise, guys, this looks so wonderful. I'll show you how this looks. You can totally go for this one. This is so cheap and so easy to try out, and this is how your nails are gonna look like. Very impressed with this hack. Guys, this is it for this video. I really hope that you find it as interesting and as amazing I did. I had a super fun time shooting this video for you guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. Make sure that you follow me on my social media, links to which are given in the description box below. This is pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.